What's going on, everyone? Thomas from Powerhouse Performance here. Behind me, I got our customer John Gallagher's 2017 F-350 Platinum. The suspension system that we utilize on this truck is a fully optioned 6-inch coilover conversion kit from BDS. We took the factory BDS kit and we stripped and powder coated it to color match the paint scheme on this truck. The wheel and tire package that we went with on this truck is a 20x12 hostile wheel wrapped in a 38/1350/20 Nitto Ridge Grappler. All right, now let's go over all the accessories on this truck. As you guys can see, we utilized a ton of Baja design lights, and they're all mounted to an M-rack. Up top, we got the XL Linkable system, 4 S8 light bars, 1 pair of the S1 work lights, a 5150 whip. That's all on the top of the truck. On the A-pillars, we utilize Baja Design's XL80s, and in the fog lights, we use the Squadron Sports. On the underside of the truck, there is a total of 18 KC highlights, rock lights, with the full app, RGB color changing, the whole 9 yards. We love when our customers think outside the box and want us to build them a truck to this level of detail. Well, that's a wrap on this truck build. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to show you guys the next one.